My name is Pep. I used to live in the Netherlands, but in 2023 I moved to Hoedspruit, South Africa, together with my partner Jeroen. We built a beautiful guest lodge, surrounded by wildlife. This is my life in the South African bush.
So busy everywhere. I'm not used to it anymore.
I'm going back to the Netherlands. My mom is in shock. And I'm cooking a traditional Poiki kost.
Welcome to this new video. And we have a visitor. Mr. Giraffe came back for some food. He's kind of relaxed. So if he's relaxed, I'm relaxed. We are doing some work here. Oh, I will show you. When you start building, you decide, oh, the kitchen must be like this and that, but then you start working in it and you notice, oh, we are missing this and that, so we are changing this and that. So we are putting an oven, let's see, is it oven? Oven in, microwave. We just built an extra spot for dishes. We are going to install a dishwasher here, so we have a lot of stuff to do. And we are redecorating the lapa. That's Emmanuel. Emmanuel is painting. He's going to paint. And I picked the color because Jeroen is colorblind. We have this screen on this wall with beautiful baskets. But on the other side, over there, I picked another color, and I'm sure Jeroen will get a heart attack.
Who chose that color? It's you.
Huh?
Who chose that color? It's you.
My color, I picked it.
I like this.
Hmm?
You like that color?
Yeah, it's nice. Looks good.
There, huh?
Promise me.
Good morning.
Promise me.
Yes?
You don't get a heart attack.
No.
Okay. Emmanuel is painting.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Your shirt matches the color of the...
That logo of that one.
Okay. What did you do? Oh my. We have a pink wall.
Yeah.
No.
What is this?
It's not pink.
For me, this is pink.
Yeah, but you're colorblind.
So every time I come into this lapa now, it's like pink. I know, Emmanuel. What is this?
This one is a pink color.
It's a pink color. Emmanuel agrees with me.
Serious.
Serious, yes.
Exciting. Yep. Hey, Thomas.
Hello.
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 I'm showing the people around in the changes we made to the kitchen. So this is why do we have this now?
We needed table this side. So
Yeah.
at least now we have done this.
So you can put your coffee machine here,
Coffee machine and
ice.
ice machine,
Yeah.
everything. Now
Yeah.
I can put everything here.
So now Thomas and I, like Thomas and I, we are working here in the kitchen together. And then I'm cooking, and he needs to give coffee to the people. And then we don't have any space, so he's walking in my area.
So when I did this
So
table,
then we need
at least we can have a
yeah,
big space here.
yeah. So you don't bother me anymore. So
At least now we have a big space.
yep,
We have table, everything.
but it's messy now. But we will when it's done, it's nice. Okay, I promise. A lot of videos start this way. Good morning. I'm going to the shop now because we are fully booked. Here, see? Cars. All houses are occupied, and Jeroen forgot to buy the brownies for the appetizer, for the breakfast. So I'm going to the shop now to get them, because we have to prepare breakfast for all the guests.
Good morning.
There they are.
Thank you.
What are you doing here?
I'm preparing our
The room
breakfast
for breakfast.
Yes. Look what I already did. This is ready, the cutlery. And I'm setting up the tables. So, that's how we roll.
Now I will start my part of the breakfast job. And that's here. I will bake the eggs and potato stuff and beans and all the English breakfast stuff. I think I'm not fully awake. Look at this.
Yummy.
Yummy. Hello, I'm in Rotterdam, not in South Africa. I arrived by plane last night. I'm in a hotel now and I have the most beautiful view. Look at this. Wow. But I'm here because my parents celebrate their 50 years wedding anniversary. And I'm going to surprise them. They don't know I'm coming, so this whole visit is a huge surprise. And I hope they will be happy to see me. But first, I'm in Rotterdam. My parents live in the north part of the Netherlands, but I'm in Rotterdam. And I'm going to visit people that were clients at the dog hotel. And after that also came to visit our place in Hoedspruit. And are now dus also customers of our lodge. And their dog, her name is Noor, was always one of my favorite dogs in the dog hotel. And I'm going to see her again. Hope she still recognizes me. So I will take the camera and we will just record it and see how she reacts to my visit. I think she will bark at me first. And then she starts smelling like, I know that guy. And then she might be happy.
It took her a while, but finally she remembers me.
So I finished my one-day trip in Rotterdam. I'm going to leave the hotel room now and then I drive a little bit through the city, just some sightseeing. It feels a little bit weird to be a tourist in this city. I used to live here for, I think, about 25 years. But still, Hoedspruit feels more like home right now. Anyway, let's go because today I'm going to surprise my parents. They don't know I'm coming. So I have to drive 3 hours up north in the Netherlands. And we will see how my mom, especially my mom, will react to my visit. Let's go. So busy everywhere. I'm not used to it anymore. Driving to leave Rotterdam. I'm now driving over the Erasmus Bridge. And although I really love this city, I lived here for 25 years, it doesn't feel like home anymore. So I think we made the right call moving, because Hoedspruit really feels like home. It doesn't look like the city I want to live in anymore. It's too busy, too crowded. Although the weather is nice now, most of the times it rains a lot over here. But not now, because I took some sun from Hoedspruit to here. But it's a beautiful city. If you have the chance, you must visit it one day. Just as a tourist, it's nice. So I'm driving now on the highway, and this is the highway from Rotterdam to Utrecht. Go all the way up north in this small country. 3 hours drive, and I'm surprised how smooth the road is. If you're driving in South Africa, and I do that now for like 10 months non-stop, and you get back to the Netherlands, then suddenly you feel how incredibly, here's a bump, another bump, how smooth the roads are. It's crazy. I almost forgot about it. So here we are. Are you ready? I hope she's happy to see me.
Definitely.
Definitely.
Definitely will.
Well, not she, but they.
They will.
My sister told my parents to come to the hallway because their anniversary present arrived. And it was too big to carry it into the house.
Ben ik op tijd voor feest? Wat een verrassing.
Ja, zo'n feest moeten we doen met elkaar. Ja, dan heb ik het goed gedaan.
Het is een cadeautje ook van hun, hè? Ja.
I stayed a couple of days with my parents and after their anniversary party went back home. Back in Hoedspruit.
Today is the first time I'm going to make a poiki. And if you're South African, you know what a poiki is. If you're from another part of the world, you might not know what it is, but I can explain. A poiki is like a pot, well, sort of a stewing pot, but it's different than stewing. A pot you put on the fire and you cook some meat in it and some vegetables in a specific way. South Africans are very specific in how you should do it. So I will try it today for the first time, and we invite some friends, and if they like it, we can also make poikis for our guests. So I have a lot of stuff here. Look. Some potatoes, of course the meat, and well, vegetables, herbs, onion. So all this stuff is going into the Poiki. And well, to make a nice Poiki, we first need a fire. So that's what I'm going to do now. We still have this crazy braai. And for some reason we keep this thing because we like it. It's just leftover bricks from the building site. And it's a great braai, so I'm going to make a fire here. And the warthogs are watching me. You actually can make a very nice warthog Poiki as well. Well, that's what they told me. I never tried one, but maybe if this one is a success, we will try a warthog. But not these guys. And this is still the leftover wood we had from the bush clearance when we start building here. So we can use that for a fire. A lot of smoke. That's because the wood is still a little bit wet. Or we just bought the wrong wood. Why are you laughing?
It is smoky.
It is smoky, yeah? But I put the Poiki on the fire.
Let's see.
So, look. And now we're going to start. I'm going to start to prepare the meat.
I cannot wait.
You're not interested in this?
I am.
What are you doing behind your laptop?
I'm working.
You're working. Hey, 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 hey. Don't fight. The meat is in, and I'm kind of scared now because South Africans might watch this, and they are very picky when it comes to Poiki. So if I do something wrong, they will comment like, "Ah, that is not the way you do it." I don't want that. I want to do it perfectly. Okay, I'll show you the progress. Ready?
That looks good.
Yeah? So you have a little faith in me now? And it smells good as well. It's dark. So I'll show you the result. Ja, wil jij maar? Smells nice. Okay, I think it's ready. Is it okay?
It is
Eatable.
9.5 out of 10.
Yeah. Very good.
Thanks for watching.